What weekend is it?
This weekend.
Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a little off-roading and camping today. This is Wedger.
What up?
Where are we going, Wedge?
I don't know, to be honest.
He's leading the pack. We got Adrian.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, and Liz is back.
We're going somewhere. What up?
We're in Big Bear.
Somewhere
Yeah.
outside of Big Bear.
Right outside of Big Bear.
Again, entrance.
I have people do things for me.
Airing down our tires.
Science.
Yes, it is. Got the whole crew.
Wedger and Betsy in front, and Kinsey. You can see her hanging out. Adrian's behind us.
They do King of Hammers and all that.
Oh no! Fuck.
What's
Wait,
that?
What?
Hammers.
I thought that was like. I thought that
Yeah,
was out in
you're
the
part of
desert
this.
area.
It's out there. You'll
See,
see.
we go to the
We're
desert.
there.
You'll see. Like we'll be
there.
above in the valley.
Oh my god. Stoked.
Yeah.
I did the.
Johnson Valley.
Right.
I've never really started. I've done this trail until we made the right in snow.
Fuck.
It was fun in my Jeep, and I was like, I'm not equipped for this. It was really fun. Whoa, you guys are fast.
It's the last one that's the bitch. Always.
Tell me how you really feel.
I like Cazadores.
You like Cazadores?
Love Cazadores.
It's water. It's water.
Yeah.
I saw a blue line in there. That's where it's supposed to go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Family road trip.
You got room?
Oh, I'm plenty. Yeah. Come back.
Buckle up.
Only the dogs.
So we could go. Oh, sorry. We'll go left because this is where we have lunch.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
I'm so impressed.
I know how to drive.
Yes, you do.
I just can't make that. I couldn't make that. There's no way I can make that.
So this is our camp spot.
You need to get this sweatshirt. You need to get this. Jeep Live. Girls Who Jeep.
Can I find that on Amazon? We'll put a link below.
Yes, my mother bought this for me off Amazon.
Amazon.
You get this and those paw backlight things if you want.
Give me the rundown. Loud and clear.
We are outside of Big Bear Lake and we're camping, and here is our campsite. Very professional. First you got the two sexy Jeeps.
Stevie, Ruby Rose,
Yeah. Or Frankie.
Frankie. Frankie's better.
Or just the white Jeep.
Frankie and Stevie.
I like Frankie and Stevie.
They're a great pair.
We just took Frankskers on the excursion. Okay, we went real fast. Let it rip.
Let her rip.
No damage.
Now this is
My tent. Notice it's back up a bit because I have been backpacking
ooh.
1.5 times. Thank you. Okay. Now we're going to the Eureka. Eureka is also something you would say when you look at how well it's been put together. Eureka! It's missing a little thing. I don't know what's going on here. Not my problem, not my tent. Alright?
Yep.
You can take my tent.
I know, you did that on your own. And then, Rhiannon has a naked cat. And also likes to keep the top of her tent naked, so we can all see her because she sleeps in the nude. So that's exciting. We're at a nudist colony campsite.
Except for we're all still wearing clothes. Something's wrong with us.
Till you get hot. Here's our chairs.
This is the setup. And then we got Big Daddy over here
Fruit.
Oh,
cooking
I got fruit.
cooking up some meals.
But he's making us a kale salad because apparently we're fat. Oh yeah.
Have you ever camped here before?
First time.
On a scale of 1 to 10, rank this campground.
Pretty not bad.
That had nothing to do with 1 or 10.
I'll give it like a 6.9.
All right.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Need some type of fucking dessert.
How's it?
Huh?
How's it?
So delicious. You need dessert. Always need dessert.
Are you having a great time on the girls' weekend?
Ladies first!
Best thing in the morning, warm cup of coffee. We're gonna pack up and head back out on the trail today.
Hi, thank you for having us. You were awesome.
And we're out. Just like that. Headed back to civilization. Always a good time. Great time until we decided to come back down from Big Bear and been sitting in hours of traffic.
Coming home is always the worst.
Always. Anyways, if you guys are liking these videos, want to see more adventures, please like and subscribe. Until next time,
Stay curious.
cheers.
Cheers.
How does this work? What did you do? What did you do?
Oh my god.
What happened, Len?
Broke the door. Locked myself in. Whoopsie daisy.
Get your big dick out of there.
I don't have a dick. Don't show that on the camera.
Shake it. Shake your dick.
I don't have a dick. That's not nice. I don't like any of this. This is offensive and rude. You guys are rude. You're hurting my little feelings.
No.
Every guy I've dated has wanted to wear dirty ones.
It's going up my beehole.
Get used to it. It's girls' weekend. That's what you have to do.
You can wear it backwards like I found one of my exes one time.
Have you ever seen a dude wear a G-string?
Well, you know.
It's off.
Like the two boys hang below the crotch.
They did on either side, like decorations.
Oh yeah, I
Like
did
Christmas
it,
ornaments.
Did it about 4 weeks ago.